Part C. So part C, the question says, show that the first derivative of fx is equal to this. So to find the first derivative, we're just going to use the quotient rule, of the original function here. So let's let the top term equal u and then the bottom term equal v, and the quotient rule says that it's v u dash. So it's going to be, I'll start it here, will be the denominator to 2e to the x minus 1 multiplied by the derivative of the numerator, which will just be negative e to the x. So it's vu dash minus uv dash, so it's the top, e to the x, multiplied by the derivative of the bottom, which will just be 2e to the x. And then it will be all of that divided by the v squared, so 2e to the x minus 1 squared. It's all divided by 2e to the x minus 1 squared. Now let's see if we can simplify this. Now if I expand here, I'm going to get negative 2e to the 2x, and then plus e to the x, and then I'm going to have minus, so minus 4e to the x, and then I'm going to have a minus and a minus, so we plus 2e to the 2x over 2e to the x minus 1 squared. Now I can cancel out a few things here. Negative 2e to the 2x and positive 2e to the 2x, they can go, and I'll have negative 3e to the x's on top. So negative 3e to the x, the denominator stays the same, and we've solved our question. That's what the question asked us to find, so give yourself a bit of a tick, and that's the answer to part C.